Hello, my dear children. Welcome back. How are you all? I hope you all are enjoying this monsoon season. Well, I am enjoying it very much. But we all have to be extra more careful because this is a season of many infectious diseases. So I hope you all are taking good care of yourselves. Now, let's move towards our today's topic. So, our today's topic is Lesson 4 Keyboard Special Keys. As you know from Chapter 3, keyboard is an input device which helps you to type letters, numbers, and symbols. So, in this chapter, you will get to know about different keys present on a keyboard. First, we'll discuss about their positions. First, we have alphabet keys from A to Z. Then, number keys from 0 to 9. Then we have 5 kinds of special keys. First one is spacebar key, that is longest on the keyboard. Then we have 2 enter keys on keyboard and 1 caps lock key which makes the letter in capital form. Then we have 4 arrow keys for right, left and up down direction. Then we have 1 delete key to erase whatever on the right side of the cursor. Then we have 4 punctuation keys. And last we have 3 combination keys and 2 of each key on keyboard. There are some cool shortcuts also in the lesson. So what are you waiting for? Let's get started. Hello my dear children. In this video, we are going to study about keyboard. From the previous video, we have already discussed about the positions of different keys present on a keyboard. In this video, we are going to learn in detail about them. So, shall we get started? Okay, open your book. Lesson 4 Keyboard Special Keys. In this lesson, we are going to learn about different keys that are present on a keyboard, like alphabet keys, numeric keys, special keys, punctuation keys, and combination keys. You have already seen their position on keyboard from the previous video. A keyboard is an important part of a computer. It has many keys on it. These keys are used to type letters, numbers, and symbols. As we have already discussed that keyboard is an input device and it helps you to type letters, numbers, and symbols on a computer. There is an image of keyboard. Here you can see the different positions of different keys on keyboard, like we have one caps lock key here, spacebar key here, and a numeric keypad here, then arrow keys. Okay, you have already seen their positions in the previous video also. Okay, now move forward. Our first heading is alphabet keys. Alphabet keys have letters on them from A to Z, but they are not arranged in an alphabetical order. These are 26 alphabet keys on a keyboard. There is a printing mistake, it should be there. Okay, there are 26 alphabet keys on a keyboard. Then we can type letters, words, and sentences with the help of alphabet keys. As you can see from the image here, these are not alphabetically arranged. As the first is Q, then W, then E, R. So these are not alphabetically arranged. They are randomly put on a keyboard. And there are 26 keys for 26 letters. And we can make sentences and words using these keys. Okay. Now move forward. Then we have number keys. Number keys have numbers on them. These keys are 10 in number, that is from 0 to 9. Number keys are present above the alphabet keys and are placed in order. We can type our age, roll number, house number, etc. by using these keys. As you can see here in this image, number keys from 0 to 9. You might be thinking why 10 is not here? Because you can write 10 by typing 1 and 0. 0 to 9 are digits. My children, these are digits which you can use to type any number. From 0 to 9, digits are used to type any number, and that is why they are used on keyboard. Otherwise, there will not be enough space to write from 1 to 100 or 1000 crore, right? That's why we use digits, that is 0 to 9, to write any number. Then, number keys are also present on the right side of the keyboard. This is called numeric keyboard. See here, this is a numeric keyboard. There is a num lock key. It locks and unlocks this keypad. Okay. Now move forward. Then we have special keys. These keys have different symbols on them like plus, minus, star, slash, double inverted comma, column, semicolon, okay, etc. There are different symbols. There are some more special keys on a keyboard. First, we have spacebar key. The spacebar key is the longest key on the keyboard. It is used to give spaces between the text. So, as I have already told you, spacebar key is the longest key on a keyboard. It is used to give spaces between the text and words to make it more clear and sensible. Okay. Next, then we have caps lock key. The caps lock key is used to type letters in capitals. There is a caps lock key, and as you know, caps lock key is used to make the letter in capital form. Press the caps lock key once, the caps lock key light will turn on. Then press the caps lock key again, the caps lock light will turn off. Type the sentence again and see the difference. So when first you tap the caps lock key, the light will turn on, and when you type a letter, like for example you type C, so after tapping the caps lock key, the light will turn on, and when you type C, it will be in capital form. Wait, it will be like this, C. Then when you again tap the key and light goes off, then again you type C, it will be small form. Okay. So that means when the light is on of caps lock key, the letter will be written in capital form, and when the light is off of caps lock key, the letter will be in small form. Okay. Next, enter key. Wait, enter key. Oh, yeah, enter key. The enter key is used to bring the cursor to the next line on the monitor. A keyboard has two enter keys. So enter key is used to bring the cursor on the next line to the next line on the monitor. For example, there is a page. Okay, for example, this is a page, and you are writing. Where do we write from? from the left side. Okay, example, this is the margin. Okay, and you are writing from here. So you have written first line, then you move to next line. How will you do it? You will tap the enter key and the cursor immediately move to the next line, and then you will start writing from the next line. Okay, now next we have arrow keys. There are 4 arrow keys on the keyboard that help us to move the cursor on the screen. As I've already told you, there are 4 arrow keys on keyboard to move the cursor in left, right, up and down direction. Okay, up arrow key is used to move the cursor up. Down arrow key is used to move the cursor down. Left arrow key is used to move the cursor to the left, and so on. Right arrow key for right direction. Okay, so 4 keys for 4 directions. Okay, next, backspace key. Backspace key erases the letter to the left side of the cursor. To the cursor. Okay, so when you, for example, instead of writing up, you have written us. So you have to delete this s. So you will tap backspace key and this s will be deleted. It will be removed from the screen. Then you will tap P and it will be P. Okay. Now next, we have last, delete key. The delete key erases the letters to the right side of the cursor. So there is a delete key. See, we have one delete key on keyboard. There is an example written here. For example, see, type I like to eat mangoes. The spelling of mangoes is wrong because there is an extra G here. To correct this, to delete the letter G in the sentence, move the cursor using the left arrow key to the left of the letter G. Wait, it is not clear. Yeah, now it is clear. Move the cursor using the left arrow key to the left of the letter G. Press the delete key, the letter G will be removed. So here the spelling of mangoes is wrong. To delete this extra G, we'll move the cursor here to the left of the G. Wait, not here. Oh. Okay, on the left side of the G. Then when you tap delete, it will remove the letter on the right side of it. Okay, then extra G will be removed and we have corrected the spelling of mangoes. Okay, next, now we have punctuation keys. Punctuation marks are the special symbols that are used while writing paragraph or a sentence. These symbols bring clarity in a language. Some common punctuation marks are full stop, comma, question mark, exclamation mark, etc. Here you can see full stop, comma, question mark and exclamation mark. So these are 4 punctuation keys on keyboard to give the meaningness, to give the meaningfulness to the sentences that we write on computer. Okay. For example, if you write two sentences and without the full stop, we'll not be able to make out that these are two different sentences. We will think that they are in that is a single sentence, which will not bring the meaningness to that sentence. Okay. Now, next, combination keys. First, we will know what is a combination key. A key that is used in combination with another key for performing a particular function is called the combination key. So, combination means in combination with another. So, when one key is used in combination with another key, it is called combination key. For example, Shift, Ctrl, Alt. See, Shift, Alt, Ctrl. Ctrl is the short of Control key. First, Shift key. The Shift key is used in combination with other keys to type special symbols and punctuation marks present on the upper part of the keys. There are two Shift keys on the keyboard. For example, see these. There are symbols also, okay, and then punctuations also. So if we want this less than symbol, okay, then we'll press Shift key and this key, then we will get this symbol. Okay, so as for this key, this exclamation and one both. Then if we simply tap this key, we'll get 1. If we tap Shift key plus this key, then we'll get exclamation mark. Okay. Same way, when we want to write any letter in capital form and we don't want to use caps lock key, then we can simply use Shift key. We can tap Shift key plus, for example, D, then we'll get D in capital form. Okay. Now move forward. Then we have Control key. This key is marked as CTRL. It is used in combination with other keys to perform certain actions. So Control key is mainly used for the shortcut keys to work, means to speed up our work. For example, Control plus Home will move the cursor to the top of the document. Control plus End will move the cursor to the end of the document. So these are like shortcut keys, okay, which ease up your work and speed up your work also. Okay. Next we have Alt key. So Alt plus F4 to close the program and Control plus Alt plus Delete to shut down a computer. So Alt key is also used in shortcut key functions. Okay. So this was your lesson for children. In this lesson, you learned about different keys that are present on a keyboard and some shortcut and about some shortcuts also, as these 4 are shortcut keys. Okay, now move forward towards our books exercise. So our first question is fill in the blanks. First, a dash is a small blinking line on the screen. That is cursor. CURSOR, cursor. Then The spacebar key is the dash key on the keyboard. Longest. 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 Then third, the dash key is used to move the cursor to the right. Right arrow. Capital RIGHT. RARRO. Sorry, I will recite this again. Capital RIGHT, right? Then ARROW, arrow. Okay. Then fourth one, the dash key raises letters to the left side of the cursor. Backspace. 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 Then fifth one, the dash key brings the cursor down to the next line. Enter. Capital ENTER. Enter. Then last one, a key that is used along with another key is known as the dash key. Combination. Capital COMBINATION. Okay, combination key. Then first you get the clear image of this question. Okay. Okay, you got it. Now move to the next question. Question B. Match the following pictures. So this is the space bar key. It will go with this. Then these are arrow keys and it is backspace key. Then this is enter key, delete key and caps lock key. Okay. You will do just like this. Get a clear image. I'm pausing it here. Then now move to next question. C. Wait, let me zoom it for you. Okay, now question C. Guess which key am I? First, I type the letters in a capital form. Caps lock key. I erase the letters to the right side of the cursor. Delete key. I move the cursor to a new line. Enter key. Then last, I give space between words. Space bar key. Okay, this was your question. Third C, question C. I am zooming it here so you can write it down. Then now move forward towards a question D. Pick the right answer. First, how many alphabet keys are there on a keyboard? So we have 26 alphabet. So how much keys are there? 26. Right. Then how many arrow keys are there on a keyboard? 4 directions, 4 keys. So 4 is correct answer. Sorry. 4 is correct answer. Then third, how many enter keys are there on a keyboard? We have 2 enter keys. Which key combination is used to move the cursor to the top of a document? Ctrl plus home. Then we have last one is which among the following is a type of punctuation key? Question mark is a punctuation key. Okay. So this was your question D. Take the correct answer. I'm zooming it here so you can pause it down and write it. Then now move forward. Okay, this was your this was your last question. So we have finished the book exercises here. I hope you are completing your work on time and submit your work as soon as possible for you very with minimum spelling and mistakes. Okay, now we will continue with the copy work of this lesson in the next video. Okay, bye bye.